जिस माशरे में इंसान की कोई कीमत नहीं होती, वहाँ भूख तहजीब के आदाब भुला देती है। यहाँ हफ्ज़ के बेचारी स्याह रातों में सफ़ेद जिस्मों का जीवन स्याह करते हैं। यहाँ पे नाचते पैरों की थाप बिकती है, यहाँ पर जागती आंखों के ख्वाब बिकते हैं। यहाँ पे फूलों से होंठों की प्यास बिकती है, यहाँ पर जिस्म है बिकते शबाब बिकते। अब आपके सामने इंग्लिश स्पीच के लिए तशरीफ़ लाती हैं, आपकी भरपूर तालियों में तशरीफ़ लाती है कोमल नवाज।
I would give to human race only hope. I am a woman offering two flowers whose roots are twins, justice and hope, and the hope and justice. I place myself under the care of Allah from the attacks of Archer Satan. In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and ever merciful. I am Komal and today I got a golden opportunity to present my views on the topic that India is not a secular state. So ladies and gentlemen, when India and Pakistan got independence, 1 million people died during migration. The Hindus and the Sikhs mercilessly killed, looted, raped Indian Muslims. Such a state that kills 1 million people on the day of independence cannot be a secular state. In India, even people are divided on the basis of their religions, on the basis of their caste. Even Sikh community in India is not given proper rights. That is why they are raising their voices for the Khalistan. India is a state of extremists who cannot appreciate any other religions. Muslims have been living for many years in India, but they are living in the most terrible state in India. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah rightly said, Muslims living in India, they have only shown their loyalty to the India. Muslims living in India dominate their business stalls, but they say they're afraid of walking alone in Indian roads at the night time. When they talk about the politics, when Indian Muslims talk about the politics, their voices drops to the whisper. Mr. Abdul Adnan, an Indian Muslim who sells a drill bits, said that my Indian government do not consider me an Indian. When my ancestors have been living for many years in India, then how it could be that I am not an Indian? He even added with a sign that I live with a fear in my heart. The Modi government revoked the constitutional autonomy of Kashmir by imposing the curfew and the soldiers were poured in. And he turned to blind eyes toward the mob violence against the Kashmir. Now, the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Citizenship Amendment Bill is one of the Modi's greatest effort to change the social makeup of India in line with the Hindus' nationalist beliefs. The bill stipulates that citizens of Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Bangladesh could apply for the citizenship of India. But according to the bill, Hindus, Sikhs, and Christians could apply for the citizenship of India, but Muslims were not shortlisted. So this proves that India is only a state of extremists who cannot appreciate any other religion, who show cruelty to the minorities living in India. Thank you.